Work package 2 of the INFORMA project will compare unmanaged with managed forests in Europe. You would think that we perfectly understand this, but for many ecosystem services and ecosystem functions, it's not so clear what is exactly now the difference. Because there's not something like a platform where we can really compare that. So sometimes there's a lot based on beliefs. Environmentalists may have beliefs that natural forests are always better for all ecosystem functions, but that's necessarily the case. It can be that by managing, you can stimulate or enforce certain ecosystem functions. So it really needs some research. If you think about one topic which has had already some research in past projects, it's about the whole issue of carbon sequestration and mitigation. And there indeed, in natural forests, we know that they can sequester a lot, and even at older age that they can still sequester, maybe not in the biomass, but still in the soil. But with climate change, the situation could also change, because in these old natural forests, we could have more disturbances where we would lose carbon again. And another aspect is that in managed forests, we can take the products and also do something with the products, which will further sequester the carbon or substitute fossil fuels or fossil fuel intensive materials. So we need really to see the whole picture, look at it from all angles, take the disturbance into account. And so that's why we need a platform to study that in a better way and to use also modern remote sensing technologies to have a closer look at what is exactly the difference between managed and unmanaged forests. Work package 2 in INFORMA will do something which is very original, that has never been done. It's creating a platform of patches, so pieces of land which are managed or unmanaged. And we will have such patches all over Europe, 300 in total, and they are organized like pairs. All over Europe, we will have pairs of an unmanaged patch with a managed patch, and we can compare them because they are exactly in the same climate, on the same soil. So we say that we exclude confounding factors and that the only effect that we measure is the fact if they are managed or unmanaged. Our trade-offs are important, and we will do this trade-off analysis as far as we reach with remote sensing. With remote sensing, we can see certain things and we cannot see other things, like biodiversity at the taxon level, how many mosses or bark beetles species there are. We can't see that. But we can see the bigger picture of energy balance, carbon balance, water balance. We can see all these kind of things and see some of those trade-offs. So we hope we can say something about trade-offs.